In this 1-minute photography tip, I want to share with you the composition technique of a frame in a frame and show you how it can make your pictures much more interesting. This advanced framing technique is based around the idea that you use an object within your picture to frame your main subject. The easiest way to do this is to photograph through a door or window, with your main subject inside the natural frame the door or window forms. The frame of the door or window becomes a new second frame within your photograph's natural frame, drawing closer attention to the subject for the photograph's viewer. Once you have mastered using doors and windows as frames, you can also try being more ambitious by looking for other different types of frames by which you can draw attention to your subject matter. This simple framing technique can help make your images much more interesting. So remember to look out for a frame within a frame next time you're out taking photographs. That is your 1-minute photography tip.